Hi, I'm Chandler from Dittofeed, a flexible active campaign alternative. Subscribe to the channel for marketing automation tutorials and try out Dittofeed Cloud through the description link. Today let's look at journey entry nodes, which define who enters a journey and when. Configuring the entry node is the first step of any journey you create, and in Dittofeed there are two types of entry nodes: segment entry nodes and event entry nodes. Let's set up a segment entry node first by defining a segment that we'll call new users, where users will enter the segment if they've performed a sign event in the last 30 minutes. I actually already have one created here, but we can take a look. This conditioner group is set to user performed, the event name is sign up, our times performed are at least 1, and we set a time window of 30 minutes here. Save this segment, and now let's head to journeys and create a new journey. Click on the entry node, set it to segment entry, and let's select the new users segment we just created. Close the node editor and you're done configuring the entry node. Segment entries are great for marketing automation like onboarding, drip campaigns, and re-engagement. When a journey's segment entry is configured, one instance of the journey will run per user who satisfies the entry node's segment conditions. You can configure segment entry journeys to allow for re-entry of users, but there will still only ever be one journey instance running per user at any point in time. This is in contrast to event entry nodes, which a user enters immediately every time they trigger the event that's specified in the entry node's configuration. In other words, a user can have multiple event entry journey instances running simultaneously. This is particularly useful for transactional messaging like password changes, profile updates, purchase confirmations, etc. Let's look at an example. Say you want a user to enter a journey when they trigger an order canceled event, so that you can immediately email them a cancellation confirmation. Change the entry node to event triggered and input the event name. Now we need to choose a key from the event's properties to identify the journey instance. In our case, the event's order ID can serve as our key, so we'll put order ID here. Now, anytime a user cancels an order with a unique order ID, Dittofeed will create a new instance of the journey. And that's the general overview of entry nodes. Try out your own entry node configurations in Dittofeed Cloud through the description link, and read more about how journeys function in our documentation, also linked below. Thanks, and see you next time.